Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, introducing a new spray mum. The color series all in the lavenders, purples to almost a true blue. They're all called BluOcean. They're distributed worldwide now, and there's actually dozens of different colors. When you get them in, you just want to shake them apart a little bit, loosen them up, and then remove all the lower foliage. You don't want that to go into the water. Give it a cut, and then set it in a vase that's pre-mixed with flower food and let it drink for 2 hours. Overnight is even better. And then you're ready to design. With so many fabulous colors, pair them with the Moon Series carnation, you'll have a fabulous monochromatic design. Now you have a new flower to hunt for. I'm sure you're going to love it.